What if I told you there's a family SUV that looks rugged enough to turn heads, feels premium inside, and still doesn't punish your wallet every time you visit the fuel station or service center? Most people buying a family car face the same frustrating problem. You either get something reliable but painfully boring, or something stylish that becomes expensive and uncomfortable over time. And that's exactly where most buyers feel stuck. But the Mitsubishi Xpander Cross was built to break that cycle. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many families are quietly choosing this vehicle and why it might actually make more sense than some popular SUVs. At first glance, the Xpander Cross doesn't look like a typical MPV pretending to be an SUV. The bold front grille, sharp LED lighting, muscular body lines, raised ground clearance, and rugged body cladding give it a confident crossover stance. It looks tough without trying too hard, modern, practical, and family-friendly at the same time. But looks alone don't sell family cars. Comfort does. Step inside, and this is where the Xpander Cross really starts to make sense. The cabin feels open and airy, with a high driving position that improves visibility and reduces fatigue on long drives. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, designed for real people who actually spend hours on the road, not just quick city runs. Rear passengers get generous legroom and headroom, meaning no complaints from adults and no restlessness from kids on longer trips. Whether it's school runs, grocery trips, or weekend getaways, this interior is built for daily life. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where many buyers get confused. The Xpander Cross uses a proven 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with either a smooth automatic or manual transmission, depending on the market. No, it's not a performance monster, and that's exactly why it works. This engine focuses on fuel efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance costs. It's designed to last, not to impress on paper. And for families, that matters more than speed. Safety and technology are another strong point. You get essential features like multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, steering-mounted controls, and a digital driver display, modern features without unnecessary complexity. What truly makes the Mitsubishi Xpander Cross special is balance. It balances SUV styling with MPV practicality, comfort with durability, and affordability with everyday usability. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it focuses on being dependable, versatile, and stress-free to own. So if you're looking for a vehicle that can handle family responsibilities, daily city driving, and occasional weekend adventures without draining your budget, the Mitsubishi Xpander Cross deserves a serious look. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest car breakdowns like this. And now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the Mitsubishi Xpander Cross? Or is there another family crossover you want us to review next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.